Dear students, welcome back to the video lecture series of indirect taxation. We will continue with the problems on custom duty, that is imported goods. You can refer the screen for the problem. Compute the assessable value and total custom duty payable under the Customs Act 1962 for an imported machine based on the following information. Particulars: amount in US dollar given, cost of the machine at the factory of the exporter 10,000 US dollar, transport charges from the factory of the exporter to the port for shipment 400, handling charges paid for loading the machine in the ship $25, buying commission paid by the importer 50, lighterage charges paid by the importer 100, ship demurrage charges 200, freight charges from exporting country to India 2500. So they have given date of bill of entry is 22/2019, that is rate of basic custom duty is 20%, exchange rate as notified by CBIC is rupees 60 per US dollar. Date of entry inward 25/1/2019, that is rate of BCD 12% and exchange rate as notified by CBIC rupees 65 per US dollar. Okay, and rate of IGST given as 12%. So in this problem what they asked you to find out is compute the assessable value and total custom duty payable. So you can write the computation of assessable value and total customs duty. Make two columns, particulars, and amount. In US dollar. Cost of the machine is 10,000 US dollar. Add transport charges from the factory of the exporter to the port for shipment. So you need to add $400. Next add handling charges paid for loading the machine in the ship. Amount is $25. So total free on board is FOB is 10,000 plus 400 plus 25 gives you $10,425. So add freight. They have given freight charges from exporting the country to India is $2,500. then add insurance. If the insurance rate is not given, then you need to take 1.125%. So 10,425, that is on FOB value you need to take 1.125%. You will get the answer as 117. Next, after adding insurance 117, you need to add lighterage charges. ₹100, which they have $100, sorry, which they have given in the problem. Then add ship demurrage charges. That is $200. So after adding all these things, so cost of insurance freight, that is CIF value or assessable value. Assessable value is FOB free on board plus insurance plus freight. So total of this gives you CIF value, that is cost of insurance and freight, $13,342. Okay. So next step is after finding out the assessable value, we need to find out the duty and tax payable. So assessable value, US dollar 13,342 multiplied by ₹60, we need to take date of bill of entry, we need to take, that is 20th February 2019. And the rate of BCD is 20% and exchange rate notified by CBIC is ₹60 per US dollar. So we need to take ₹60. So converting into rupees, we will get the answer as 8,520,000. Then add BCD at 20%. That is 8,520,000 into 20%. So 20%, that is basic custom duty, 20% means 1,60,104. So we need to add social welfare charge. Social welfare charge at 10% on BCD, that is 1,60,104 into 10% gives you 16,010. After finding the social welfare charge, value for the purpose of levying integrated tax. Integrated tax is, so you need to add all this value. You will get as the value as 9,76,634 as the value for the purpose of levying integrated tax. So IGST percentage given at 12%. So 9,76,634 into 12% means 1,17,196. So total duty and tax payable is total duty and tax payable is 16 lakh 104 plus 16010 plus 117196. Okay, that is BCD value, basic custom duty value, then social welfare charge and also IGST of 12% gives you the total tax and duty payable as 2,93,310. So note is there, you can refer the note as buying commission paid by the importer is not includable in the computing the assessable value. So once again I will explain, after finding the assessable value, basic custom duty at 20% given in the problem we have to take, social welfare charge which is not given but it is compulsory to take, add 10% on BCD. Then value for the purpose of levying integrated tax is adding assessable value, basic custom duty and social welfare charge. After adding these three, you will get IGST as 12%. Then total duty and tax payable is basic custom duty plus social welfare charge plus IGST gives you the total duty and tax payable. That's all. Thank you one and all for watching the indirect taxation videos.